This might be the video you need to know see before start making passive income online. Yes, this is the video. All you need to do is to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you a secret, a copy and paste method that is going to make you a passive income online. So this is my secret of making money online, and if you want to know more, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave down a comment if there's any problem you're facing on this online making money. So you can see it on the website. I'm going to mention the website in just a minute. Oh, see, this person has made $17. Let me show you. You can see this post was made 7 hours ago and this person was able to make $609. I can see how passive this website pay. You can see $609. Imagine 345 people viewed this article, was able to make $609. This is amazing. You can see the second person, this post was made yesterday and he was able to make $613. If it were you, how are you going to spend this money? Leave a comment down below. I'm going to settle all your comments. So I'm going to show you a secret, a copy and paste method that you're going to make a passive income right up, and even after watching this video. So what you need to do right up but now is to go to a website, is to go to Google News. I'm going to this a copy. There's no need for you to struggle and write any content yourself. All you need to do is to head on to googlenews.com. You will see amazing content. You can see this, you can see the post. But what I want you to know is that you need to go for popular niche like nutrition and relationship. Yes, nutrition and relationship, because this everybody in every living thing on earth has a relationship or must feed every day. So this is one of the popular niche. So you pick any of this content from here, from Google News, and you're going to pay to this website. So the name of the website, let me show you how this thing works. You can see this. Let me log into the website. It's called steemit.com. Steemit.com. STEEMIT. Steemit.com. So it's going to load. You can see this is the website I'm talking about, steemit.com. Just after watching this, try it yourself. All you need to do after coming to this website, all you need to do is to click on this pen dot and you create your account. It is for free. If you have not registered yet, you can see free to register. It is 100% free, like I said earlier. Subscribe to this channel if you are getting value from this video, because I will give you 100% legit way to make money online. You can see it. For me, I have already existing account. And if you take you time to see my dashboard, it will wow you. So if you are new to this website, click on the free to register, and you register your account for free, and go to Google News and copy and paste content. But if you want to go viral on this, you want to make $500 even as now. Now, so if you want to make $500 like this person, use Google Translator. Use Google Translator to translate to any of these popular like China, India language, so that most of them can view and can read the text you have. But not everybody understand English. So by translating it, it rank your view. You can see this person has 346 views and is earning $609. This, you can see it's not written in English. These are content that can make you thousands. You can just translate it. Just use Google News. Get Google Translator. Yes, and post it here. It is 100%. Just click on this pen button, then log into your account, paste. Sisters, brother, it is 100% legit. So subscribe to the channel. I beg of you, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I love you.